Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this curvy text effect in CapCut PC. Have this video here. I'm going to select the text here and I'm going to add in that text to the timeline like so. And I'm going to type in the word banana. Well, you can type anything you want, of course. I'm going to adjust it. I'm going to scroll down until I find curve. I'm going to select curve, and then here I'm just going to curve this a little bit. And yeah, that's how you can pretty much add in a curve. You can add in a shadow if you'd like to as well. But yeah, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching this video. Bye!